And welcome back to the channel. Guys, when it comes to weight loss, we are always on the lookout for easy and sustainable ways to stay on track. But what if the solution is as simple as switching up to what you drink? So, enter the sparkling water. It's refreshing, fizzy, and now backed by the science for potentially aiding in the weight loss. So, in today's video, we will discuss what sparkling water is, how it works, and the ways it can help you shed those extra pounds according to the recent research. Plus, we will share some tips on how to incorporate it into your routine for the maximum benefits. So, if you are ready to add some sparkle to your weight loss journey, so let's dive in. So, guys, first let's get to know what is sparkling water. Sparkling water, also known as carbonated water, is plain water infused with carbon dioxide gas under pressure. This creates that fizzy, bubbly texture we all know and love. Unlike soda, sparkling water doesn't contain added sugar or artificial flavors, making it a healthier alternative to many beverages. You can find it in plain or lightly flavored with natural essences like lemon, lime, or berry, but it remains calorie free in most cases. So it's a perfect way to stay hydrated with a little added fun and fizz. So, how sparkling water aids in weight loss? According to a recent study, sparkling water can be an effective tool for those looking to lose the weight. Here is how it works. First, it increases satiety. The carbonation in sparkling water can make you feel fuller for longer. Those bubbles create a slight stretch in your stomach, signaling your brain that you are satisfied and reducing the urge to overeat. Second benefit is it cuts out the sugary drinks. By replacing high calorie, sugar laden drinks like sodas, juices, and energy drinks with the sparkling water, you can significantly reduce your calorie intake without sacrificing the flavor. Third is it improves digestion. The mild carbonation in sparkling water can promote better digestion and help reduce you bloating, making you feel lighter and more comfortable. Fourth, it encourages hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial for weight loss as it boosts metabolism and helps control hunger. The fun phase of sparkling water makes it more appealing than plain water for many, encouraging you to drink more. Fifth, it keeps cravings in check. Sometimes we mistake thirst for the hunger. So, replacing a glass of sparkling water instead of a snack can help curb unnecessary cravings and prevent that mindless eating. So, how to use sparkling water for weight loss? Incorporating sparkling water into a diet is easy and can even make your meals and snacks more enjoyable. First tip is replace sugary drinks. Swap sodas, sugary teas, or juice with sparkling water. If you miss the sweetness, opt for a splash of natural juice or add slice of fresh fruits like lemon, limes, or berries to your sparkling water for a burst of flavor. Second is pair it with meals. Drinking sparkling water with your meals can enhance feeling of fullness, helping you eat smaller portions. Third tip is use it as a snack substitute. When you feel the urge to snack between meals, try snipping on sparkling water. The fizzy sensation can often distract you from unnecessary munching. Fourth tip is make sparkling water mocktails. Create fun, healthy mocktails by mixing sparkling water with fresh herbs like mint, cucumber, or a splash of unsweetened cranberry juice. It's a refreshing and low calorie way to indulge. Next is stay mindful of flavored options. While most sparkling of waters are calorie free, some flavored varieties may also contain hidden sugar or artificial sweeteners. So always check the label to ensure you are choosing the healthiest option. So let's see the precautions to keep in mind. While sparkling water is generally safe and beneficial, moderation is the key here. Consuming excessive amounts may cause temporary bloating or gas for some individuals due to the carbonation. So, if you have specific health concerns like acid reflux, always consult a healthcare provider before making sparkling water a significant part of your diet. So, guys, sparkling water isn't just a fizzy, fun drink. It's a great tool to help you stay hydrated, feel fuller, and cut down on the calories, all of which can aid in your weight loss journey. So, why not give it a try? It's a simple, delicious change that make a big difference in your overall health. So, let me know what are your favorite ways to enjoy sparkling water. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to staying healthy and reaching your fitness goals. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.